Next example 4. Example 4. 93 into 88. Here 100 minus 97 means 93 means 7. 100 minus 88 means 12. 12 sevens are 84. We are written on right side 84, and we have to, next step is 93 minus 12, that is 81. You have to write down here on right, you have to write down right side, that is 81 into 84. Next example 107 into 104. Here some changes will happen. You have to, what you have to do, you have to write down 7 and 4 last digits number. 7 4 is 28. We have to write it on right side 28. After that, what you have to do, 107 plus 4, that is 111. You have to write it 107 plus 4 means 111. You have to write it on right side. Little bit changes are there on calculations. 109 into 107. You have to write down 9 and 7. 9 7s are 63. You have to write it on right side. After that, 109 plus 7 means 116. You are written here 116. 106 into 108. We'll take one more example. We are written here 6, and here you have to write 8. 6 is a 48. We have to write it on right side. After that, you have to add 106 plus 8, 114. You have to write down a answer here. Next we will take one more example. 112 into 105. You have to write down 12 here and 5 here. 12 5 is 60. As it is, you have to write down on the right side. Afterwards, 112 plus 5 means 117. 117 60. That is the answer. 113 into 104. This is next example. We are written here 13, here 4. 13 4s are 52. We are written on right side, and 113 plus 4 means 117. You have to write it on right side. Last example, 119 into 103. You have to write down 19 here and below 3. 19 3s are 57, and 119 plus 3 means 122. We are written on right side. Okay, we'll take some more examples. You practice in the home. We'll practice 20 30. How much you are going to practice, you will become perfect. So don't ignore it. Practice it. You'll become perfect. See you in the next classes. Thank you. One and out.